All right, so I've got here a saw stand. So I've had this miter saw 15 plus years. I bought it at Harbor Freight. It's definitely has given me some good utility, but one thing I wish I had, and I bought this last year, and it's a game changer. So it's a saw stand, and what I like about it, it's very sturdy, it compacts, it folds up, and it just sets up very nice and easily. So let me walk you through this. So what I like about this saw actually clips on very easily. You can see that you get it on the front lip right here, and then you just pull this lever. So it's kind of hard doing it with one hand. It's really a two-hand thing. So just give me 2 seconds as I pull the levers. There we go. So now I've got it secured. So definitely a two-hand operation right there, but you can see that these levers right here are quick releases. So that's one thing I just love about this, because you can repurpose your miter saw really quick in how you want to do it. I've always had to do C-clamps on tables and different things like that, or even just cut right on the ground. So that's what I love about this, is that I can set up a station real quick, work on a project in a specific area. It's just a time saver and so much more convenient. The other thing I like about this is that it has these rails. So you can loosen these, and then you can adjust this to the height platform for your miter saw. Like I said, I wish I got this way before. This comes on and off very easily. I'll just take it off. Very simple operation, does take 2 hands. And then we got quick release buttons that fold this up really nice. So let's do that. So push that in, folds in, push this one, folds in, flip it on the other side, push, folds in. And now I can just go where I need to go.